That's awesome, baby! With the capital A! Boom. March Madness has already begun. We got Yaxel with the dagger 3. I wanted Wisconsin to win, but whatever. Good game. We got a lot of other good matchups coming on today here, peeps. Just stay tuned. My Vandy showing Florida who's boss in the SEC. That dual point guard, they're good. And since my birthday was last Saturday, today was the last day to get a free choice item at McDonald's. You know what I got? The 4C. Look it up. Not the combo platter, but just the 4C sandwich. That's for sure. All right, let's go. Who do we want to win here now? I don't know, UCLA, hey? Maybe fighting Michigan. They're kind of coming out of nowhere. And we want, I know, Houston and Arizona is going to just be a battle. So there's that. And you know who we got always in the ACC? Duke! Boozer might go for 30 and 20 and 10. Mark that. Probably not, but maybe. All right. Snowstorm's coming. So if you're around these areas, go to the store, grocery store, and stock up. Because we're going to get about just, what? I don't know. Like 42 inches here or something? Wow, just spin stuff out. Okay, bye. Hey.